Let us suggest the MACD Professional Trading Strategy. The strategy is intended for traders focused on a high return and prepared for long trade time intervals. The combination of signals from three instruments that underlies the strategy makes it possible to make accurate and successful trades at the beginning of a trend. Open the chart of any asset. You'll need a separate technical analysis window. Select the candlestick chart and a 1-hour time frame. The first element of the strategy is the exponential moving average. To add the indicator to the chart, just open the Indicators tab and select Exponential Moving Average. As you see, your exponent is now tracing the smooth movement of the price, eliminating random fluctuations. The second element in the strategy is the MACD oscillator, which is also found under the Indicators tab. It consists of a histogram, MACD lines, and a signal line. The combination of these elements helps you to notice when a trend reverses just in time. Apply the third element of the strategy, the parabolic indicator, to the chart. It also confirms the trend's direction or indicates its reversal. Your focus should be on the position of the indicator dot relative to the chart. When it appears on the opposite side of candle, this is a signal that the trend is reversing. To open a down trade, wait until the exponent is headed downward and make sure that you have a descending trend. The MACD line must intersect the signal line top down and the parabolic dot must be above the chart. To open an up trade, wait until the exponent is headed upward and make sure that you have an ascending trend. The MACD line must intersect the signal line bottom up and the parabolic dot must be beneath the chart. Set a trade time of 2 hours. Wait for the option to expire and take your income. Study the MACD Profession strategy and go to the next new level of trading with Trade.